Ever wondered how to really win in the world of State Farm, build a thriving practice, and actually make serious money? Today, we're diving deep into the heart of State Farm agency success. Unraveling the secrets to a lucrative insurance sales career. Step 1. Understanding your product arsenal. State Farm gives you a wide array of products, but not all are made equal. Auto insurance, home insurance, health insurance, life insurance, and financial services products. Auto and home insurance are often your bread and butter. The consistent demand and renewal opportunities make them a solid foundation. Focus on these areas for guaranteed initial sales and a steady stream of clients. Then, step 2. Mastering the sales equation. Lead generation is key, the process of turning potential customers into confirmed plans. Next, building relationships. Building trust and rapport with your clients is vital for long-term success, repeat business, and referrals. Finally, the key, step 3. Customer service excellence. Stellar customer service creates loyalty. Aim to be the go-to expert by offering timely responses, proactive communication, and always putting the client first. It pays off. Happy clients tell friends and family, creating a powerful referral engine. This can lead to the highest payout you are looking for.